Succeed Education. Today we are going to see term 1 5th standard Samajya Social Unit 1 our earth lesson. Okay friends, today we are going to see our earth book back exercises. Now we can go into the lesson. So friends, the book bag exercises, fill in the blanks. It is in page number 150. Okay, now we can start. Fill in the blanks. First one, the distance between the earth and the sun is dash. So the answer of this is 150 kilometer. Okay friends, 150 kilometer. Second one, dash are caused due to the revolution of the earth. So the answer of that is seasons. Seasons. Okay friends, SEASONS, seasons. Third one, the continent dash is covered by ice is Antarctica. ANTARCTICA, Antarctica. Okay friends. Fourth one, the biggest continent is dash. So the biggest continent is Asia. Okay, Asia. Fifth one, dash is described as red planet. So the answer of that is Mars. Okay friends. Sixth one, dash percentage of our earth is covered by 71%, the salt water. So 71% of our earth is covered by salt water. Okay friends. So friends, in your reader there will be no this question. This is an additional question. This is very important. You can learn it. 96% of our earth is covered by saline. So this is only that one. Okay, you can write it. So next we can see the match the following. First one, smallest continent is Australia. Okay. Next one, blue planet is Earth, our Earth. Third one, Neptune, farthest planet. You can, I have been write here numbers. You can draw a line or you can write the numbers. Fourth one, seasons, Earth revolution. Fifth one, day and night, Earth's rotation. You have to remember this. Revolution means seasons, rotation means day and night. So friends, in your reader there will be answer the following. So I will mark these questions. So first question, what do you know about the universe? So this is only the first question. Write the answer of this. I mark in your reader. Okay. So friends, in page number 143, the first question's answer is there. So the universe is a vast expansion of space. So here to here is first point. Okay friends. Next one, the universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, rough planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids and natural satellite. So here to here, second point. Okay friends, the exact size of the universe is still unknown. So here to here, third point. Scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. So here to here is fourth point. Okay friends. So these are the points for the first one. Okay. Now you understand. Now we can go. So second one friends, define solar system. Now I will mark this one question. So friends, the second one answer in page number 143. Okay. So this is also like a point. So solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. So here to here, first point. Okay. Next, these objects are gravitational bound. So from here to here, second point. Okay friends, second point. So this second question's answer is this. Okay friends. So friends, next third one, how did the earth form? So friends, I have been written it here, so please copy down this. How did the earth form? So the answer of this is millions of years ago an explosion called a Big Bang occurred. Out of the massive explosion, numerous stars and planets come into existence. Thus the planet Earth was formed. So this is only the answer of third one. Okay. So friends, now fourth one. The difference between rotation and revolution. So now I tell that. So friends, I write that answer here. So please copy down that one. Rotation. When the Earth stays on its own axis, it is called a rotation. It causes day and night. The Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours or one day. Okay, friends, please copy down this now. Okay, now I will show the revolution. So this is only the revolution. There are 3 points. The movement of the Earth around the sun is called a revolution. It causes seasons. The Earth completes one revolution in 365, 1 by 4 days or 1 year. Please copy down this one. So friends, now fifth question. How many oceans are there on the Earth? Now I will tell that. So friends, the fifth one's answer is this only. There are 5 oceans on the Earth. This is simple only. You can write this. So friends, the detailed answer I will mark in my next video, friends. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you understood this one. So friends, thank you.